Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup easily. Making delicious soup at home is simpler than you might think, requiring just a few fundamental steps. First, gather your chosen ingredients, ensuring they are fresh and ready. Next, prepare everything by washing and chopping, then sauté your aromatics to create a rich foundation. Finally, add your liquids and simmer until all components are cooked through, usually for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's a straightforward process for a comforting meal. To truly elevate your soup, focus on layering flavors throughout the cooking process. Don't be afraid to experiment with various herbs and spices, adding some early and others towards the end. Selecting a high-quality broth is crucial, as it forms the backbone of your soup's taste. A touch of acidity, perhaps from a tablespoon of vinegar, can brighten the entire dish. Finally, a garnish of fresh parsley or a dollop of sour cream adds a delightful finishing touch. Mastering a few simple techniques can significantly improve your soup making. If you prefer a thicker consistency, consider making a roux with 2 tablespoons of butter and flour, or blend about 1/4 of the soup. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings frequently. A pinch more salt or a dash of pepper can make a big difference. Letting your soup rest for a few minutes before serving allows the flavors to fully develop. Leftovers are great for lunch the next day. For those busy days, quick and healthy soups are a fantastic option. Speed up your prep by using readily available ingredients such as canned chickpeas or frozen mixed vegetables. Enhance the nutritional content by adding a cup of spinach or some shredded chicken breast. Making a large batch means you'll have delicious, wholesome meals ready for several days, saving you time and effort. Don't hesitate to explore different global flavors to keep your soup repertoire exciting and varied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.